I feel like we need to settle that this morning, friends, that we are not here by accident. We are not breathing in 2025 by accident. This is not a mistake that you live in the neighborhood that you live. It's not a mistake that you raise those children that you raise, that you ended up being their parent. It's not by accident that you work at the place that you're working, that you're going to school at the school that you're going to, that you're sitting in this church this morning. I don't believe it's an accident. I believe that God's got a plan and a purpose, and that God is inviting us. He places us in specific places for specific times, for specific purposes, for His glory and for His grace to flow. I believe it. It says in Acts chapter 17, verse 26, it says, "And He made from one man every nation of mankind to live on all the face of the earth, having determined," listen to this, "allotted periods and the boundaries of their dwelling place." God has determined the allotted places and boundaries where you and I should live. And then it goes on to say, so that people can call on His name, Alex. So that people could experience God. That's why He puts us here. You're here for a purpose and for a reason. And if we understand the reason, we can understand the season. I want to say this, that Esther didn't know why she was queen. She didn't understand necessarily. It only became apparent to her later on. And sometimes what God does with us is He gives us friends and He gives us connections with people in our lives. And we think, man, I just enjoy spending time with this person. But actually, God is building a friendship because He's got a plan with that friendship. Think about it.